Hello everyone, I am Dr. Chintan Shah. I am a consultant medical oncologist at Hemato-Oncology Clinic, Vedanta, Ahmedabad. 31st May is declared as No Tobacco Day by World Health Organization. So today I would like to share few important things regarding tobacco. Tobacco use is rampant in our country in the form of khaini, gutkha, zarda, pan, bidi, cigarettes, cigars, pipes and hookahs. Tobacco is known to have 70 to 80 different cancer causing agents. Coming to the statistics, as per ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research, 30% of all cancers in our men and women are because of tobacco. 40% of the deaths in cancer patients in our country are because of tobacco. It is said that tobacco is killing one person every 6 seconds. And out of all the tobacco related cancer deaths in the world, 20% of them are in our country. So you can know now how much is the use of tobacco in our country. What is the harm of tobacco? Tobacco is known to cause a lot of different diseases. It is known to cause heart attacks, stroke and paralysis, lung diseases like COPD and asthma. It is proven to cause infertility and lot of cancers like head and neck cancers, esophageal cancers, stomach cancers, pancreatic cancer, kidney and urinary bladder cancers and some of the blood cancers. So it does not affect the patient, the person who is smoking itself, but the entire family is ruined. How to avoid it and how to escape from tobacco? First of all, those who have not started using it, please never start using it. That is the best way. Never try, never use it. Those who are already using it, for them quitting tobacco is the best possible thing. So how to quit tobacco? One option is using nicotine replacement therapy, which is available in the form of chewing gums, in the form of nasal sprays, in the form of skin patches. You can do exercise, yoga, meditation to control your craving for the tobacco. Say no to just one. Okay, many a times you will be tempted to try, okay, I will have just one. So this one will be second and then third and fourth. So say no to just one. You remind yourself of the benefits you are going to get by avoiding tobacco, like a healthy life, longer life, and saving lot of money for yourself and your family.